Hello everyone, this is KinCony. In this video, I will tell you how to use our B series relay controller to configure the Wi-Fi and the Ethernet. This is our 32 relay module. This is our package. We can open the package. And this is the controller. And technical support and the user manual and how to wire and in different module. And this is application for Android phone and mobile phone, and for the local network use or internet cloud server version to use. And also this is online guide. And this is the power supply. This power supply we will send to you according to your power stand. This is EU for Europe stand. If you in other countries, we will use the corresponding power supply to you. And the Wi-Fi antenna. And this is for DIN rail. This is installed on the back of this, and this when installed on the DIN rail, we use these two parts. Okay, the first step we need to install the Wi-Fi antenna. The first step, we install the Wi-Fi antenna, and we connect this network cable. And the power supply, DC 12 voltage. Okay, the red LED, the power LED, will be on. And this is connected to your load, and your computer also connected to your load. Now you can see beside the Ethernet port, there is the blue and the red LED. The red LED is the power, and the blue means the Ethernet is connected to cloud server by UDP work mode. Now the hardware is ready. Now we will use the software to configure the Ethernet with the Wi-Fi SSID and the password. You can see this user guide on this page. So when you connect the network cable, you can use this. The first step is do this. You can use the network IP scan software, or you can also log in your load. So I have logged in my load. Okay, this is my load, and I can see this view list. And this is KC868 device. This device is our relay controller. So this is the IP. This IP is we have found. If you can't log in your load, or you maybe in your office or in your company, you can't use the load. So we can also use this IP scan software. I have already downloaded. You can open this software. Just this. You can press the scan, so it will auto scan this network. You can find the listing is scanned in the network, what device you have found. Okay, we have seen this is our device, and this is the name. Maybe you have seen these words. This word is the manufacturer of the Ethernet chip we have used. If you have seen these words, also is our device. So we can see this IP is 192.168.1.232. You just input this IP. Okay, you can open this website. this website is our config for Ethernet setting and the Wi-Fi setting. So before older product, we use vCon running on the Windows PC to set the network of the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi. So begin the B series product use new technology. You will never use vCon again. This is our firmware version, is the relay control firmware version. And this is the port, and this is default is DHCP. And this is UDP, and this is our cloud server IP and port. So this means the Ethernet have set the work mode to the UDP and connect to our cloud server. You can also change to TCP server. If you want to use the Kbox application without the internet, you can control your local network. So you can choose the TCP server. If you are a software engineer, you want to the relay controller connect to your own server. So you can choose the TCP client, then input your own server, IP and the port. So in this way, we have changed to the UDP, just connect to our cloud server. And this is the Wi-Fi setting. If you want to use the Wi-Fi, you can set all these settings according to route information. This is AP mode, we can change to STA, just means station. And this is the route of your SSID. You can see this is my route. This is Wi-Fi signal. This is SSID and the authentication method and the encryption. We just set to this place SSID KinCony. So you just set the SSID of your routes, and this is WPA2. This is just like this method, and this is AES. Most routes use AES, just like this, and this is the password. Our password is this. Okay. When we just set these settings for the route, we can press the save. If you also use the Wi-Fi connect to our cloud server, you just choose the UDP. We can press save. Okay, about 10 seconds, you can restart off your relay controller. Then the relay controller will auto connect to our cloud server by the Ethernet. Now we can repower on. You can see this is the Wi-Fi connected LED indicator. So this means the Wi-Fi have connected to your route successfully. This LED is for Ethernet, and this LED indicator is for the Wi-Fi. So now the blue LED on means the relay controller have connected to our cloud server by the Ethernet cable, because when I power on, the Ethernet have connected. So the default is by the Ethernet way. If the Ethernet is cut down or broken, you can see like this is off and this LED is on. So the relay controller have changed the Wi-Fi communication with our cloud server right now. So make sure the controller have stable connect to our cloud server. If I also connect to network cable again, when the Wi-Fi is broken or the Wi-Fi signal is bad, it will auto change to the Internet. So this is two communication way. Make sure the controller is stable to connect to our cloud server. Now we have opened the web page again. You can see this information SSID and the encryption and the password have already configured successfully. And if you want to when Ethernet work for cloud server, and this is Wi-Fi work for Kbox in your local network without internet, you can just set to the TCP server. Which one is set to TCP server just according to you? You can change Ethernet for TCP server, or Wi-Fi to UDP, or Wi-Fi to TCP server or Ethernet to UDP, just up to you. So you can use two applications at the same time. Without internet, you can use. If you have internet, you can remote country also can use. So it's easy, and just change all settings on this website. Okay, this is our how to use IP scan software or logic in your root to see the controller's IP to log on the website to configure Ethernet and Wi-Fi. It's very easy. But sometimes your relay controller IP is not as same as your root's network. Or you maybe have some special IP address of the root, so it can't detect the IP address. So I think you can use this function. You can you can hold on the work mode, and when the yellow and the white LED is on, all is on, then you remove the finger. So the controller will offset the work mode to UDP, and the IP work mode is DHCP. This can reset the controller for DHCP. And if also you can't find the IP, you can use this step. You can hold on the work mode button. When the yellow, white, and the blue LED all is on, then you remove the finger. And this time, the controller will default set to TCP server. And this is static IP 192.168.1.200. This is the static IP, is fixed. So you can use your computer, connect to the relay controller, use a network cable C85 cable directly, and set your computer's IP address in a static mode. So when your controller default IP is this, you can set your PC IP as this. For example, just 3 number is seen. The first 3 number is seen. So you can use the IP scan software. You can find the relay controller easily. When you scan the relay controller, you can open your browser and log in and change your settings for your routes. You can set the static IP for your routes can be scanned. So it will be easy for the controller suitable for different network.